One of the really unique benefits to our students is CentraCare's learner housing that's being built connected right to our campus. This housing, which will be called the Residence at the Plaza, is a really beautiful space where our students can live with their family members, their children, connected to campus. It's an example of our sense of community and connection to one another within the class, to their educational environment, and to the health system that exists right in the same space. It offers incredible space not only inside the apartments, but outside. There's family room areas, there's a large great room overlooking the river. We have a fitness studio with exercise equipment that both the students and their loved ones can use. There's another space in the second floor that has games, foosball, and other unique features, including a screen porch that overlooks the whole backyard. In that backyard space, there are some really incredible features. A pickleball court, a golf green, a bocce ball area. There will be fire pits and areas for people to barbecue. There's a dog run. Inside this apartment complex, we will have studio, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom apartments that will be available for learners. The complex has underground parking and a tunnel that connects housing to our campus so that in the wintertime in Minnesota, when it gets cold, students will stay warm. This building is really meant for our students to have a space to get away from their learning while also staying connected to one another and their families so that they have the support that they need to be successful in this endeavor.